In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of planting shrubs to ensure they thrive and become a lasting feature of your outdoor sanctuary. Before you start digging, it's crucial to choose shrubs that are well suited to your climate, soil type, and sunlight conditions. Research the specific needs of each shrub variety, considering factors such as mature size, growth rate, and maintenance requirements. Native plants often adapt well to local conditions, making them a smart choice for a beginner gardener. Careful planting is the key to a visually appealing garden. Consider the mature size and shape of the shrubs when deciding on their placement. Create a rough sketch of your garden bed, accounting for spacing and the desired aesthetic arrangement. This planting phase will help prevent overcrowding as your shrubs grow. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Test your soil to determine its pH and nutrient levels. Most shrubs prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve fertility and structure. Proper soil preparation ensures that your shrubs receive the nutrients they need to establish strong roots. Once your soil is prepared, it's time to dig the planting holes. The size of the hole should be approximately twice the width of the shrub's root ball and just as deep. Gently remove the shrub from its container, teasing out the roots if they appear pot-bound. Place the shrub in the center of the hole, ensuring that it sits at the same depth as it did in the container. Backfill the hole with the soil you removed, pressing it down gently as you go to eliminate air pockets. Water the newly planted shrub thoroughly to help settle the soil and hydrate the roots. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the shrub to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. To ensure your shrubs thrive, establish a regular care routine. Water your shrubs deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out between watering sessions. Fertilize according to the needs of your specific shrubs, and prune as necessary to maintain their shape and encourage healthy growth. Planting shrubs in your garden beds is a rewarding endeavor that brings beauty and life to your outdoor space. By carefully selecting the right shrubs, planning your garden bed layout, preparing the soil, and following proper planting and care techniques, you'll set the stage for a flourishing and visually stunning garden. Enjoy the process and watch as your shrubs transform your garden into a haven of natural splendor. Happy gardening.